Lloyd, put the gun down. I'll shoot you if you don't comply. Stand up, slowly. Put your arms out to your side. Face away from me.
Well, okay, decide what can happen when you say turn around.
You can get a jackass.
He can do a 360.
Just like that.
He can do a 360.
Take 3 steps forward, slowly. Do not make any fast movements or you will be shot. Slowly get down on your knees. Keep your arms to your side. Slowly use your right arm to help your leg stay flat. Put your arms back out to your side. Palms up. Cross your ankles. Face to your right. Alright, now watch. Right here. We go ahead and get holstered. He's still got cover. Notice the arm is about to go a little ready because now I'm going to cross his line of fire. Back him up. Grab his hand. Give me your other hand. And we're done. Alright, now what if, let's say I don't have the hand.